I caught your wrist at the precise moment everything accelerated. The entire room became a conspiracy of limbs and calculated. Breathing, you looked at me like I was the last functioning exit. Like we've been rehearsing this collision for months in separate apartments. Every conversation before this was just a dress rehearsal. And I'm not saying we're professionals at this, but we're certainly not amateurs anymore. So let's synchronize our disasters, make a spectacle of falling at the exact same speed. I'll be your favorite catastrophe. You'll be the reason I'll memorize emergency procedure down. Imagine outfits with our heads locked. You've got this habit of making ordinary Tuesday feel like testimony. Like I'm on trial for every mediocre thing I did before meeting you. We're choreographing something dangerous in public spaces, and everyone's pretending not to watch us combust, but they're taking notes for when they go home alone. And I'm not claiming we're immortal or anything, but we're definitely harder to kill when we're together. So let's synchronize our disaster, make a spectacle of falling at the exact same speed. I'll be your favorite catastrophe. You'll be the reason I memorize emergency procedure down. Imagine outfits with our heads locked. They'll write about us in warnings. They'll use us as evidence that this kind of velocity kills. But I'd rather be a magnificent wreck than somebody else's safe bet. So let's sing.